We are now ready to implement the last test from our acceptance criteria. So I'm going to copy these lines and then I'm going to paste them over here, and I'm going to fix the formatting one more time, like this. And to implement this test correctly, we need to check that when the user taps on the secondary button and the user enters the email and password and the user taps on the register button, then create user with email and password is called. So let's implement this. And first of all, we need to tap on the secondary button. So to do that, I can copy these lines from the previous test, and I'm going to include this line to pump the widget just to be safe. And then I can paste this code over here. And then we need to enter the email and password, and we already have the code for this here. Next, we need to press the button to create an account, and we can borrow the code for doing this over here. So we're going to take this code and paste it over here, and we are also going to await tester.tap on create an account button, like this. And finally, we need to verify that our mock is called, and this time with the create user with email and password method. And this method is called just once. Okay, so with this code, our test is ready. So let's run it. And as we can see, all the tests have passed. In summary, we have been able to satisfy all these acceptance criteria by implementing widget tests. And as we have said at the beginning of this section, we can use widget tests to check that the UI looks and behaves as expected. And this means that widget testing is useful to express how the user interacts with the UI in our app. And this is in contrast with unit tests, which are removed from the UI layer and they test logical units of code instead. So widget tests are very useful, but as we have seen, they are a bit more complex to set up and we need to understand how to use them correctly. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.